Congratulations, you've upgraded your home with brand new windows. Whether you chose energy-efficient double panes or elegant custom styles, proper care and maintenance are essential to protect your investment and ensure your windows look and perform their best for years to come. For homeowners in Eagle, Idaho, where seasonal weather changes and dust from nearby landscapes are common, ongoing window care is especially important. Here's how to maintain your windows after installation to maximize energy efficiency, extend lifespan, and keep your home looking beautiful. Stick to a regular cleaning schedule. Dust, pollen, and debris can quickly accumulate on window surfaces, especially in Eagle's dry and windy seasons. Clean windows not only look great but also allow in more natural light and help identify any early signs of wear or damage. Tips for safe and effective cleaning. Use a soft cloth or sponge with a mild soap and water solution. Avoid abrasive cleaners that can scratch glass or damage frames. Clean interior and exterior glass at least twice a year, or more frequently if your home is near a busy road or open field. Wipe down window tracks, sills, and frames to remove built-up dirt and moisture. Keeping your windows clean reduces wear on moving parts and preserves their clarity and shine. Check seals and weather stripping. Your new windows were likely installed with tight seals and modern weather stripping designed to block drafts and improve energy efficiency. However, these components can wear down over time due to temperature shifts and general use. Inspect regularly for peeling or cracking weather stripping, and condensation between panes, a sign of seal failure, gaps around the frame. If you notice issues, contact your installer promptly, especially if your windows are under warranty. Replacing seals early helps prevent moisture damage and keeps your home comfortable year-round. Lubricate moving parts. Windows with cranks, locks, or sliding tracks need a bit of lubrication from time to time to keep them operating smoothly. This is particularly important in Eagle, where dust and dry air can cause moving parts to stick or squeak. Use a silicone-based lubricant, never oil-based, to maintain crank mechanism. Loosen sticky locks. Help sliding windows glide effortlessly. Make lubrication part of your seasonal maintenance routine to extend the life of your hardware and reduce frustration. Protect against moisture and mold. Window condensation and poor drainage can lead to mold growth, wood rot, or paint damage, especially around window sills and trim. After installation, it's important to monitor for excess moisture, particularly during rainy seasons or cold winter months. To prevent water-related issues, ensure exterior weep holes are clear of debris. Keep interior sills dry and free from condensation buildup. Use dehumidifiers in areas with poor ventilation. Addressing moisture early protects your windows and preserves indoor air quality. Repaint or refinish frames as needed, depending on the window material you selected, such as wood or aluminum. You may need to repaint or refinish the frames every few years. This helps protect the surface from UV damage, moisture, and aging. If you have vinyl or fiberglass frames, simple washing usually suffices, but be sure to check for fading or discoloration. Keeping frames in good condition maintains your home's curb appeal and helps your windows last longer. Schedule professional inspection. While many maintenance tasks can be DIY, it's wise to schedule a professional window inspection every 3 to 5 years, especially in Eagle, where homes experience intense sun, snow, and wind exposure. A window expert can spot issues you might overlook. Test for energy efficiency and air leakage. Offer maintenance recommendations based on your window type and local climate. Final thoughts. Keep your windows working like new. Your window installation in Eagle was a smart investment in your home's comfort, efficiency, and beauty. With a little regular care, you can ensure those benefits continue for decades. From cleaning and sealing to seasonal checkups, these simple maintenance steps help preserve your window's performance and value. Need guidance on maintaining your specific window type? Reach out to your local window professionals in Eagle for personalized advice and support.